For any recruit joining the U.S. Army, Basic Combat Training, BCT, is the transformative experience that turns them from civilians into soldiers. This intensive, challenging program is where recruits are taught the core values, skills, and discipline necessary for military life. BCT is not just a test of physical endurance, but also a rigorous mental challenge that ensures each recruit is prepared for the complexities of modern warfare. Typically stretching over the course of 10 weeks, BCT is divided into 3 distinct phases, each designed to progressively develop recruits' abilities: red phase, white phase, and blue phase. While these phases focus on different aspects of training, they all build toward one goal: preparing recruits to meet the demands of military service, both on the battlefield and in daily operations. From mastering physical fitness to understanding how to operate and maintain essential military equipment, BCT equips recruits with the foundation they need to succeed in the Army. Every drill, exercise, and challenge faced during these weeks serves a purpose, building confidence and a sense of duty in every soldier. Let's take a closer look at the key elements of BCT, starting with one of the most critical skills: weapon maintenance. In any combat situation, a soldier's weapon is their most important tool. Therefore, knowing how to properly maintain it is crucial to ensure it functions perfectly when needed most. One of the essential skills taught during BCT is weapon disassembly and cleaning, a process that involves breaking down the M4 rifle into its component parts for thorough cleaning and inspection. Recruits begin by learning the basic safety protocols, ensuring the rifle is unloaded and safe to handle. The M4 carbine, the standard issue firearm, is carefully disassembled, with each recruit breaking it down into major components like the bolt carrier group, the upper and lower receivers, and the charging handle. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. In the harsh environments soldiers often face, dirt, carbon, and moisture can accumulate in the rifle, causing malfunctions or jams at critical moments. Cleaning is meticulous work, requiring recruits to carefully scrub and polish every part of the weapon using specialized tools and solvents. This attention to detail is vital, as even a small buildup of residue can affect the rifle's accuracy or cause operational failures. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected for any signs of damage or wear, reinforcing the importance of regular maintenance. Finally, recruits reassemble their rifles, practicing until they can complete the task with speed and precision, often under time pressure. This repeated practice ensures that soldiers can maintain their weapons quickly and effectively, even in stressful or time-sensitive environments. Mastering the art of weapon disassembly and cleaning becomes second nature, and it's a skill that soldiers carry with them throughout their military careers. Physical training is at the heart of BCT. Recruits are subjected to a daily regimen designed to push their physical limits and prepare them for the demands of military life. From day one, recruits are immersed in intense physical training, which includes running, strength exercises, obstacle courses, and drills that require both physical and mental stamina. Over the course of BCT, physical conditioning is not only about building muscle or increasing endurance, but also about preparing soldiers for the battlefield. Recruits participate in exercises that simulate the real-life conditions they will face in combat, such as carrying heavy gear across uneven terrain, maneuvering through obstacles, and maintaining their energy levels during extended operations. The Army Combat Fitness Test, which recruits must pass before graduation, is designed to evaluate their physical readiness across multiple domains. This includes exercises like deadlifts, hand-release push-ups, and the sprint drag carry event, all of which mimic the kinds of physical tasks soldiers will perform in real military scenarios. Through physical training, recruits not only increase their fitness, but also develop resilience, learning how to push through pain and exhaustion, qualities essential for survival in combat situations. Beyond combat training, recruits are also taught critical logistical skills such as the loading and unloading of military trucks. Although it may seem straightforward, this task requires organization, teamwork, and attention to detail, ensuring that supplies, equipment, and weaponry are securely loaded and properly arranged for transport. Recruits are trained to work efficiently under pressure, learning to manage time effectively and communicate clearly with their team, whether transporting ammunition, food, medical supplies, or personal gear. The ability to load a truck quickly and correctly is crucial in maintaining the flow of operations, especially in combat zones. During BCT, recruits practice loading trucks under tight time constraints, simulating the kind of urgency they might experience during missions. They learn how to evenly distribute weight and secure equipment to prevent damage during transport. This process also teaches recruits the value of logistics in the military, where the smooth and timely movement of resources can make or break a mission's success. A key element of military life is learning how to wear the Army combat uniform properly. From the moment recruits arrive at BCT, they are taught that their uniform is more than just clothing. It's a representation of their service, discipline, and commitment to the Army's core values. The ACU, designed for durability and functionality, is equipped with camouflage to help soldiers blend into different environments. Recruits are taught how to maintain their uniforms meticulously, ensuring they are clean, pressed, and presentable at all times. Beyond its practical uses, the uniform symbolizes the unity of the Army, and wearing it correctly is a reflection of a soldier's professionalism. Recruits must adhere to strict guidelines on how to wear the uniform, from the placement of patches and insignias to the proper fit of boots and headgear. Learning to maintain and wear the uniform correctly fosters a sense of pride and attention to detail, characteristics that are essential throughout a soldier's military career. While physical fitness and technical skills are critical, perhaps the most significant transformation during BCT is the mental shift that occurs in recruits. The transition from civilian life to military life is not easy, and it requires a complete reorientation of mindset. Drill sergeants push recruits beyond their limits, testing their mental toughness and ability to remain calm under pressure. BCT instills discipline, teaching recruits to follow orders without hesitation and to trust in their training and leaders. Recruits learn to manage stress, adapt to new environments, and make decisions quickly, all while working as part of a cohesive team. The constant challenges, from early morning wake-ups to physically grueling exercises, are designed to build mental resilience and develop recruits into soldiers who can handle the stress and unpredictability of combat. Teamwork and camaraderie also play a significant role in BCT. Recruits must rely on one another to succeed, and they are taught the importance of unity and trust within their platoon. This bond becomes essential as recruits progress through training, knowing that they will need to depend on their fellow soldiers in real combat situations. By the end of basic combat training, recruits have undergone a dramatic transformation. From the first day of red phase to the final moments of blue phase, they have learned the skills and discipline necessary to serve as soldiers in the U.S. Army. They have become proficient in weapon handling, physical fitness, and military logistics. But perhaps most importantly, they have developed the mental toughness and resilience needed to face any challenge ahead. Whether it's disassembling and cleaning their rifle, passing the Army combat fitness test, or mastering the art of teamwork, each lesson in BCT plays a crucial role in preparing recruits for the realities of military service. It is a grueling journey, but one that ultimately equips soldiers with the tools they need to succeed, both on the battlefield and throughout their military careers. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time to learn about basic combat training. If you found this content insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more in-depth military content, and as always, thank you for your support.